Try these top 50 Linux commands MCQs. Let's begin. Question 1. Which command is used to display the current working directory? A. pwd, B. cd, C. is, D. who. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. pwd. Question 2. Which command displays the last 10 lines of a file? A. head, B. cat, C. tail, D. more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. tail. Question 3. Which command changes the current directory? A. pwd, B. is, C. cp, D. cd. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. cd. Question 4. Which command lists files and directories? A. is, B. pwd, C. mkdir, D. touch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. is. Question 5. Which command securely copies files between two Linux systems? A. ftp, B. scp, C. cp, D. md. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. scp. Question 6. Which command removes an empty directory? A. rm, B. mkdir, C. rmdir, D. erase. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. rmdir. Question 7. Which command creates a new directory? A. new dir, B. mkdir, C. makedir, D. touch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. mkdir. Question 8. Which command displays the first 10 lines of a file? A. head, B. tail, C. less, D. cat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. head. Question 9. Which command searches for a pattern inside a file? A. find, B. locate, C. grep, D. search. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. grep. Question 10. Which command moves or renames a file? A. rename, B. copy, C. cp, D. mv. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. mv. Question 11. Which command copies files? A. cp, B. mv, C. touch, D. rename. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. cp. Question 12. Which command displays the current logged-in user's name? A. id, B. who am I, C. who, D. users. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. who am I. Question 13. Which command displays all logged-in users? A. who am I, B. users, C. login, D. who. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. who. Question 14. Which command shows the current system date and time? A. date, B. clock, C. uptime, D. time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. date. Question 15. Which command displays the running processes? A. jobs, B. top, C. ps, D. proc. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. ps. Question 16. Which command provides a real-time view of running processes? A. ps, B. jobs, C. monitor, D. top. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. top. Question 17. Which command changes file permissions? A. chmod, B. chgrp, C. chown, D. perm. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A, chmod. Question 18. Which command changes the owner of a file? A, chmod, B, chown, C, owner, D, chgrp. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, chown. Question 19. Which command changes the group ownership of a file? A, chmod, B, groupmod, C, chgrp, D, chown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, chgrp. Question 20. Which command is used to terminate a process? A, exit, B, stop, C, quit, D, kill. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D, kill. Question 21. Which command creates an empty file? A, touch, B, mkfile, C, nano, D, cat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A, touch. Question 22. Which command compresses a file using gzip? A, zip, B, compress, C, pack, D, gzip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D, gzip. Question 23. Which command displays disk usage of directories? A, disk, B, du, C, df, D, usage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, du. Question 24. Which command shows available file system space? A, du, B, disk free, C, space, D, df. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D, df. Question 25. Which command displays free memory? A, free, B, memory, C, RAM, D, rem. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A, free. Question 26. Which command tests network connectivity? A, connect, B, trace, C, ping, D, SSH. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, ping. Question 27. Which command is commonly used for secure remote login? A, SSH, B, FTP, C, SCP, D, Telnet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A, SSH. Question 28. Which command clears the terminal screen? A, CLS, B, clean, C, reset, D, clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D, clear. Question 29. Which command displays command history? A, log, B, history, C, past, D, commands. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, history. Question 30. Which symbol redirects output to overwrite a file? A, greater than, B, bitwise right shift, C, bitwise or, D, less than. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A, greater than. Question 31. Which symbol appends output to an existing file? A, greater than, B, bitwise right shift, C, bitwise or, D, less than. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, bitwise right shift. Question 32. Which command counts lines, words, and characters? A, count, B, calc, C, sum, D, wc. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D, wc. Question 33. Which command sorts lines alphabetically? A, sort, B, unique, C, arrange, D, order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A, sort. Question 34. Which command compares two text files line by line? A, cmp, B, compare, C, grep, D, diff. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D, diff. Question 35. Which command prints the absolute path of an executable? A. Which, B. Locate, C. Find, D. Where is? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Which? Question 36. Which command displays manual pages? A. Help, B. Man, C. Manual, D. Info. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Man. Question 37. Which command quickly finds files using a pre-built database? A. Find, B. grep, C. Locate, D. Search. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Locate. Question 38. Which command displays the contents of a file? A. Cat, B. Less, C. Head, D. Tail. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Cat. Question 39. Which command prints the present user's UID and GID information? A. Who, B. Users, C. ID, D. Groups. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. ID. Question 40. Which command continuously runs another command at fixed intervals? A. Cron, B. Watch, C. Sleep, D. Time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Watch. Question 41. Which command displays system uptime? A. Uptime, B. Time, C. Clock, D. Date. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Uptime. Question 42. Which command prints the hostname of the current system? A. Uname, B. Host, C. DNS, D. Hostname. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. Hostname. Question 43. Which command is used to define a shortcut for another command? A. Shortcut, B. Export, C. Alias, D. Link. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Alias. Question 44. Which command displays text or the value of shell variables? A. Cat, B. Printf, C. Show, D. Echo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. Echo. Question 45. Which command converts standard input into command line arguments? A. Args, B. Paste, C. Tee, D. Xargs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. Xargs. Question 46. Which command resumes a suspended job in the background? A. bg, B. fg, C. Jobs, D. Kill. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. bg. Question 47. Which command brings a background job to the foreground? A. Resume, B. bg, C. Jobs, D. fg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. fg. Question 48. Which command changes a user's password? A. Passwd, B. Password, C. chpass, D. User mod. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Passwd. Question 49. Which command displays the file type of a file? A. Type, B. Stat, C. Info, D. File. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. File. Question 50. Which command removes the directory path and displays only the file name? A. dir name, B. Base name, C. pwd, D. Real path. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Base name. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes.